Hi guys, and this is Grace again and welcome back again to my channel. And right now we are here at the Pullet Pen. And look at this. Virgil is feeding the chicken. They're biting.
Mom!
Eh.
Ow! What are you doing?
I'm gonna put more foods in your hands. Yeah.
Their bite is tickle. Oh,
Yeah.
no. Oh,
They're enjoying and
no.
Virgil's hand is full of chicks. Look at the other side here. There's some. So we collected 6 eggs today. That's good. Yesterday we collected 7 eggs. Oh, Harry.
No more.
No more foods.
Almost gone.
I'm gonna put more in your palm.
Oh,
Yeah. They love that. They eat.
what the?
They enjoy that feeding. That you're the one who feed them. Look at that. Virgil is enjoying also.
Oh, why they're not eating?
So it's very ticklish. It's really good that Virgil is been helping here and he's enjoying also. They're getting bigger.
They're so cute.
Hmm? What?
They're so cute.
Yeah.
They're about that big.
Virgil is enjoying feeding them. Here, I'm gonna put more. They are your friends now, Virgil. Virgil, they are your friends now, Langga. You love them?
Yeah.
So this is the water on this side here and the vitamins. We're gonna put more tonight. Some vitamins in that container. Look at this. They're enjoying
Mommy, how
hanging
much is the
out there.
foods?
Hmm?
How much is the foods?
It's I think 43 pesos per kilo.
43. How many all you buy there?
It's almost 2,000 pesos for one sack. So the white one here is the
Cheese.
silky. This one here looks like have some wig there.
That's silky.
Yeah, that's silky, the white one there. Look at that
I think you
one.
need to put more.
Huh?
I think you need to put more.
I'm gonna put more. They love that. My God, Virgil, you're full of chicken. Ouch.
Oh.
Chicks. Lots of chicks. I've been feeding with them also. I'll just do some video with Virgil, giving them some foods. They love that one. That you're the one who feed them.
Oh my
Using
They keep to pinch my. It's so tickles.
yeah. They're your friends now. They're not afraid with you anymore. You massage their back. Some of them, there's some foods also in this bamboo here. We put some foods.
What happened?
I think that's enough, Virgil, because they're full. Some of them are full. Because there's more foods here. So I'm gonna walk outside.
I'm so tired now.
So I'm gonna walk
It's
outside
already
now.
gone.
So here's our Rhode Island Red here on this side.
Someone just paid me $100.
Yeah, have some clear water. And look at that. They love that fresh water. Virgil, help mommy to change this one. A new one. You need make sure first it's not hot in that container there in the bucket. Please. Here ba? In the faucet, you need to change that one. Make sure that the water is not hot, huh?
It's still clean.
Huh?
See? That's clean.
Over here, there's water here. It's not.
So good.
Oh, it's empty also. So we make sure that the water is not hot when they drink it because, you know, it's
That's
very,
nice in it.
yeah, it's very hot today and
No, that's nice in it.
put ice.
Think they like ice?
Maybe there, like that. My husband is there. So it's almost 6 in the afternoon.
We should be lit up good tonight.
Yeah. Oh, so we have a new solar. So we transferred the two of them. They're in the entrance. We transferred it over here at the center. So we have 4 panel here. 4 lights here and 4 panel. And we have a new one. It's a little bit smaller than the other one, as you can see. So it's 2. So it's just arrived today. So that's the one we put in the entrance, in the gate.
What's it flashing? What's the percentage? Can you see?
The percentage, I can't really tell. It's 80%. 80%. Because you can tell that how many percent, because it's been flashing, the light has been flashing, so it's 80%. So we have here solar panel here, 4 solar panel and 4 lights. So hopefully it will more brighter here.
No,
And
it's 60.
huh?
That's
It's been flashing in the 80%. So 80%. Look at the sky. So clear.
That's pretty good because it was 0.
Yeah. So today it's good because there's a little wind here. It's not really as hot as yesterday. So this afternoon also is not really hot. There's a little wind. And look at our grapefruit. It's not really good. We can't really eat the fruit because it's not good. The hotness of the weather affects all the fruits here. It's really sad. So the Rhode Island Red has been enjoying, and that bad boy is really, see, that bad boy ba is, he don't want other rooster get the hen. Oh my God. He's really not a good one because he's very selfish. He wants all the hens for him only. He don't want to share. He don't want to share to the 2 rooster. He's not. Oh, look at that. He's being bad to the other rooster now. So this one over here is the Little John. He's been teasing with the other hen because bad boy is in the other side, so he wants to get that hen there. He's been teasing each other. Bad boy, you need to share. Oh gosh. Hey, you need to share to the other rooster. Not being so selfish. being so greedy. The two hens there. So we still have the rice hull here in the sacks. We put in this corner here. So we have a lots of rice hull left. So we're just not putting more rice hull here because you know, the rice hull is very hot also, especially for the chicken. I know that they love to play with that, but it's not really good for them because rice hull is there's a, you can feel the hotness, but especially the hot weather here. So that's why we take out some of the rice hull in the pullet pen. We not put some rice hull in the rooster pen. We put small only. Yeah, the rice hull, baby, it's, you can feel the hot, right? The rice hull, the hotness.
Yeah, we need the pin up there, and we need to get some of that out. The last one.
Yeah. What we're gonna do? We take.
It's just spread out here somewhere.
We don't need to put there.
No, you need to thin it out. They don't need to be very thin layer.
Maybe that's what happened in our previous chicks. Because of this extreme weather, then we put some rice hull. That's why they're dying. Because it's too hot for them, especially on their skin, right?
Mm-hmm. It won't hurt to thin it out here and make things grow.
Yeah.
Like fertilizer.
Mm-hmm. Hey, there's bad boy again. So we're gonna check the light if it's so bright tonight.
I believe it'll be okay for the gate.
Yeah. So look at the sky there. So pretty. Nice. So clear. So I think that's all for today, guys. I'm gonna just do a short video. I just want to share what's going on here and what's the update for our chicken. And they're doing good, especially the chicks. They're very active, and some of them are big already, and maybe by next week or 2 more weeks we're gonna turn them loose here. And I'm so happy that they are very healthy, especially for this extreme hot weather here in the Philippines. We really scared about our chicken, that we really don't want them to get sick, so we take good care of them. We've been giving them some vitamins, lots of water, and I'm just happy that they're very active and healthy. So I'm gonna do again some more videos soon, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for the love and support, and for all my new subscribers out there. Thank you so much for all the love and support, and for subscribing my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna do more videos again soon. So stay tuned for now, guys, and see you on my next video, and God bless us all.